Hello friends, my name is Mahipal. In this video, we are going to discuss science model paper which was shared by DDPA office South Bangalore. It is very recent and updated model paper and you can expect some questions for upcoming SSLC exam. Let's start with first question. The rate of flow of electric charge is, the four options are electric potential, electric conductance, electric current and electric resistance. Correct option for this question is C, electric current, because an electric current is flow of electric charge. Moving to the second question, the relation between potential difference V and current was discovered by. The relation between V and I was discovered by George Ohm. So B is the correct option. I would like to give additional information also, students. V is equal to IR is the relation between potential difference, I is current and R is resistance. So the relation between potential difference, current and resistance is given by V is equal to IR. This formula we can use in the problems. Third question, alloys are used commonly in electric heating devices like toasters, electric iron, etc. because alloys do not oxidize or burn readily. So correct option for this question is B. Moving to the fourth question. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. The current is 0.5 amperes. What is the power of the bulb? We know the power of the bulb is denoted with the formula V into I, where V is potential difference and I is the electric current. V is given as 220 volts and I is given as 0.5 amperes. 220 into 0.5 is 110. Power is usually denoted with watt. So correct option for this question is B, 110 watts. Moving on to the fifth question, calculate the current in a circuit if 500 C of charge passes through it in 10 minutes. We know the relation between current, charge and time. Current is nothing but charge by time. Charge by time. In this question, charge is given as 500 coulombs and time is given as 10 minutes. Usually you have to convert 10 minutes into seconds. 10 minutes is nothing but 600 seconds. 500 by 600 is nothing but 5 by 6, 0 cancel. 5 by 6 is nothing but 0.83. Current I is usually denoted with amperes. So correct option for this question is 0.83 amperes. So D is the sixth question. In electric motor, soft iron insulated with coil is called as solenoid, magnetic field, dynamo, armature. Correct option for sixth question is armature. Moving on to the seventh question. The rule which indicates induced electric current is Fleming's right hand rule, right hand thumb rule, Faraday's law and Fleming's left hand rule. Correct option for this question is Fleming's right hand rule. A is the correct option. Eighth question, the most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from overloading is by. Four options are use of earthing wire, use of fuse, C option is connecting all appliances in series and use of electric meter. Correct option for eighth question is use of fuse because fuse help us in protecting our homes from overloading or fluctuating of current. So correct option is ninth question, the material medium having highest refractive index is. If you see the right side of the screen, there are various material medium and their refractive index. Air is having the least refractive index and diamond is having the highest refractive index. You will see the options for ninth question. The material medium having highest refractive index is air, kerosene, crystal salt and diamond. As they are asking highest refractive index, based on the table, diamond is having the highest refractive index. So option D is the correct answer. 10th question. A pencil partially immersed in water appears to be broken. The reason for this is, so there is a picture and the pencil is not straight. It appears to be bent or broken. The reason is the refraction of light. C is the correct option. Because of refraction, the pencil appears to be broken. So correct option for 10th question is C. 11th question, where should be object placed to obtain an image from the convex lens a same size of the object? If you see the right side of the screen, AB is the image and A dash B dash is also the image which is exactly equal to the AB. So AB and A dash B dash are the same image if it is placed at 2F1. So correct option for 11th question is at 2F1. C is the correct option. 12th question. When light travels from one medium to another medium, it changes its velocity. This phenomenon is called refraction of light. So when light travels from one medium to another medium, it changes its velocity. This is called refraction of light. So correct option here is C, refraction of light. Moving to 13th question. 13th question says the need to use non-conventional source of energy is. The four options are to prevent population explosion, for the protection of onto the solution of the energy crisis, to create an energy crisis. The correct option is C, to the solution of energy crisis. 14th question. In solar cooker, concave mirror and black paint used for this reason. Convergence of solar radiation and to absorb less heat. B option is divergence of radiation and to absorb more heat. C, to look beautiful. D, convergence of radiation and to absorb more heat. So we use concave mirror in solar cooker is for the convergence of radiation and to absorb more heat. So correct option for this question is D. 15th question. Dissolution of strong acid in water. The four options are neutralization, isothermic, exothermic, endothermic. So correct option for dissolution of strong acid in water is exothermic. So C is the correct option. Moving on to the 16th question. An ant sting can be treated with methanoic acid, acetic acid, baking soda, caustic acid. Correct option for ant sting can be treated with is baking soda. 17th question. Which of the following solution having highest hydrogen ion concentration is one with pH 2.5, pH 7, which is neutral, pH 1.8 and pH 10. Correct option is C, pH 1.8. 18th question. School bells are made up of metals. The property of metal we can notice here is ductility, malleability, luster, sonority. So correct option for this question is D, sonority, which deals with sound. School bells are made up of metals, so this property is sonority. 19th question. The correct option with respect to reactivity series of metals among the following. If you see the right side of the screen, here we have the table with respect to the reactivity series of metals. So potassium is the more reactive, then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium. So if you see the options A, B, C, D, correct option will be A, because potassium is greater than sodium, which is greater than calcium, which is greater than magnesium. So correct option for this question is A. 28th question. One of the following pairs which will give displacement reaction is NaCl solution when react with copper metal, magnesium chloride and aluminum metal, FeSO4 solution and silver metal, silver nitrate and copper metal. So here the correct option is D. Reason is AgNO3 plus copper metal gives to rise to copper nitrate CuNO3 taken twice plus silver. It is not balanced. I will just add 2 taken twice. 2. Yeah, now it is a balance. So correct option for displacement reaction is AgNO3 solution and copper metal. 21st question. The functional group present in CH3OH. The four options are alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. If you see the right side of the screen, alcoholic group is denoted with OH, carboxylic acid group is denoted with COOH, aldehyde CHO, ketone COC. See, if the functional group is with OH, it is alcohol. So correct option for this question is A, alcohol. 22nd question. The correct molecular formula and the name of given structural formula is A. C6H6 benzene, B. C6H12 cyclohexane, C6H14 hexane, C6H10 hexene. So here if you see the diagram carefully, there are 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So C6H6 is the formula for benzene. So correct option for 22nd question is A, C6H6 benzene. We'll move to 23rd question. 23rd question is reason for incomplete combustion of hydrocarbon is presence of single bonds, containing more hydrogen atoms, or shortage of oxygen, containing more carbon atoms. The correct reason for incomplete combustion of hydrocarbon is shortage of oxygen. 23rd option is C. 24th question. The main limitation or drawback of Mendeleev's periodic table is four options are there is a separate group for inert gases, there is fixed position for isotopes, arrangement of element based on the increasing order of their atomic numbers, and there is no fixed position for hydrogen in the periodic table. So correct option for 24th question is D. There is no fixed position for hydrogen in the periodic table. This is one of the drawback of Mendeleev's periodic table. We'll go to the 25th question. So 25th question is in modern periodic table as we move down a group electronegativity nature of the elements will decrease. Correct option for 25th question is A. 26th question. Sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid are detergents, soaps, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate. Correct option for 26th question is B. Soaps. Moving on to 27th question. The right way for blood become deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood is option is A because the right or correct way is passes through right ventricle, through pulmonary artery and through lungs. Correct option for 27th question is A. Moving on to 28th question. Transportation of photosynthetic products which are soluble in phloem tissue is known as transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. Correct option for 28th question is translocation, B. 29th question. The blood vessels which bring blood to kidney for filtration is renal veins, renal arteries, coronary artery, pulmonary artery. So renal arteries bring blood to kidney for filtration. Correct option for 29th question is B. We'll see 30th question. Brain is protected by both cranium and cerebrospinal fluid. Correct option for 30th question is cranium and cerebrospinal fluid. Moving on to 31st question. The leaves of plant at the stage of fall, the hormone responsible for this is option A auxin, option B abscisic acid, option C gibberellin, option D cytokinin. The correct option for this question is abscisic acid. 32nd question. The changes associated with puberty in males and females are by the secretion of which of the following hormones respectively? Correct option here is for males it is testosterone and females estrogen. Correct option is testosterone and estrogen. We'll see 33rd question. 33rd question is chemical substance that cause the ozone layer to collapse. First option is carbon tetroxide, B chlorofluorocarbon, C methane, D carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Correct option for this is chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon is the reason for the collapse of ozone layer. Correct option is B. Moving on to 34th question. Which of the following is not a part of the male reproductive system in the human beings? Uterus is not the part of the male reproductive system in human beings. Correct option for 34th question is B. 35th question. Transfer of pollen grains from stamen to stigma is fertilization, B variation, C pollination, D. Mutation. Correct option is C. Pollination. Pollination is transfer of pollen grains from stamen to stigma. 36th question. Germination of pollen starts from this part of a flower. On stigma, in style, in ovary, on anther. Correct option is A. On stigma. 37th question. Phenotypic ratio of tall and dwarf plants in Mendel's monohybrid cross experiment is 2 is to 1, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 1 is to 1. Correct option for 37th question is C. 3 is to 1. In age between two persons, food habits between two persons, one person has a scar but his friend does not. D. Two children have two different eye color. So correct option for 38th question is D. Two children have two different eye color. 39th question. Cracked crockery or cups with broken handles can be used to grow plants. This is example for repurpose. 39th question, A is the option. We'll move to the last question of this model paper. Name the leader of Chipko movement who is recently died. Is none other than Sundarlal Bahuguna. Correct option for 40th question is C.